Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Indonesian PDF cheat sheets? Teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
Hi everyone, I'm Blanca. Halo semua, saya Blanca. Welcome to the Indonesian Whiteboard Lessons. In this lesson, you'll learn making basic comparisons. Let's get started. Now, let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our dialogues will follow. Place, lebih, adjective, dari, place. One more time. Place, lebih, adjective, dari, place. Meaning, place is adjective, then place. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to adjectives. Find what the adjective is and see how it's used in the dialogue. Apakah Jakarta ramai? Apakah Jakarta ramai? Jakarta lebih ramai dari Surabaya. Jakarta lebih ramai dari Surabaya. Let's see the meaning. Is Jakarta crowded? Jakarta is more crowded than Surabaya. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have panas, panas, hot. Dingin, dingin, cold. Besar, besar, big. Kecil, kecil, small. Ramai, ramai, crowded. Modern, modern, modern. Bersejarah, bersejarah, historic. Sibuk, sibuk, busy. Kering, kering, dry. And the last one is basah, basah, wet. And here I have some sample of places, which is Jakarta, Jakarta, Surabaya, Surabaya, Bandung, Bandung, Medan, Medan, and Yogyakarta, Yogyakarta. Do you remember how to say hot? Panas, panas. And how to say cold? Dingin, dingin. Do you remember how to say big? Besar, besar. And how to say small? Kecil, kecil. Do you remember how to say crowded? Ramai. Ramai. Do you remember how to say more crowded? Lebih ramai. Lebih ramai. And how to say Jakarta is more crowded than Surabaya? Jakarta lebih ramai dari Surabaya. Jakarta lebih ramai dari Surabaya. And how to say modern? Modern. Modern. Do you remember how to say historic? Bersejarah. Bersejarah. And how to say busy? Sibuk. Sibuk. Do you remember how to say dry? Kering. Kering. And how to say wet? Basah. Basah. In this lesson, you learn making basic comparisons in Indonesian. Thanks for watching. I'm Blanca and I will see you on indonesianpod101.com. Sampai jumpa lagi! Hi everyone, I'm Blanca. Halo semua, saya Blanca. Welcome to the Indonesian Whiteboard Lessons. In this lesson, you'll learn using common adverbs of frequency to talk about daily habits. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have selalu. Selalu. Always. Setiap hari. Setiap hari. Every day. Setiap means every. So this could be used if you want to say every morning. Setiap pagi. Setiap pagi. Or if you want to say every night. Setiap malam. Setiap malam. Okay, next. Sering. Sering. Often. Biasanya. Biasanya. Usually. Kadang-kadang. Kadang-kadang. Sometimes. Jarang. Jarang. Seldom. Tidak pernah. Tidak pernah. Never. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the adverb. Find what the adverb is and see how it's used in the dialogue. The first example. Apakah kamu sering berolahraga? Apakah kamu sering berolahraga? Ya, aku selalu berolahraga setiap pagi. Ya, aku selalu berolahraga Setiap pagi. Here's the meaning for you. Do you often exercise? Yes, I always exercise every morning. Now, let's look at some speaking examples. Ya, aku biasanya makan di rumah. Ya, aku biasanya makan di rumah. Yes, I usually eat at home. Next one. Kadang-kadang aku tidur siang. Kadang-kadang aku tidur siang. Sometimes I take a nap. Aku jarang membaca buku sekarang. Aku jarang membaca buku sekarang. I seldom read books now. Can you point out which one is the adverb of frequency in these examples? Let's find out. Biasanya. Biasanya. Usually. Kadang-kadang. Kadang-kadang. Sometimes. Jarang. Jarang. Seldom. Now, let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our dialogues will follow. Aku, adverb of frequency, verb. One more time. Aku, adverb of frequency, verb. I, adverb of frequency, verb. Do you remember how to say always? Selalu. Selalu. And how to say always exercise? Selalu berolahraga. Selalu berolahraga. And how to say every day? Setiap hari. Setiap hari. Do you remember how to say often? Sering. Sering. And how to say usually? Biasanya. Biasanya. Do you remember how to say sometimes? Kadang-kadang. Kadang-kadang. And how to say seldom? Jarang. Jarang. Do you remember how to say never? Tidak pernah. Tidak pernah. In this lesson, you learn using common adverbs of frequency to talk about daily habits in Indonesian. Thanks for watching. I'm Blanca and I will see you on indonesianpod101.com. Sampai jumpa lagi.
Hi everyone, I'm Windy.
Hi, saya Windy. Welcome to the Indonesian Whiteboard Lessons. In this lesson, you'll learn how to give your phone number in Indonesian. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have nol, 0, nol, nol, nol. Next, we have satu, 1, satu, satu, satu. Next, we have dua, 2, dua, dua, dua. Tiga, 3, tiga, tiga, tiga. Empat, 4, empat, empat, empat. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Next, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Next we have 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Last we have 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the phone number. Find the phone number and see how it's used in the dialogue. This is a conversation between Rukmono and Rukmi. Boleh saya minta nomor telepon Anda? Boleh. Nomor saya 0812 34 567. Can you give me your phone number? Sure. My number is 0812 34567. Now, let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that our dialogue follows. For positive form, we say, nomor saya, number. My number is number. For negative form, we say, nomor saya bukan number. My number is not number. Indonesian does not have any gender-specific grammatical rules, so there are no masculine and feminine forms to worry about. Some people say kosong instead of nol when telling their phone number. Kosong is grammatically incorrect in this context, but it is used quite often. Do you remember how to say 1? Satu. Satu. And how to say 2? Dua. Dua. Do you remember how to say 3? Tiga. Tiga. And how to say 4? Empat. Empat. Do you remember how to say 5? Lima. Lima.
And how to say 6? 6. 6. Do you remember how to say 7? 7. 7. And how to say 8? 8. 8. Do you remember how to say 9? 9. 9. And how to say 0? 0. 0. Do you remember how to say my number? Nomor saya. Nomor saya. And how to say my number is 081234567. Nomor saya 081234567. Nomor saya 081234567. In this lesson, you'll learn how to give your phone number in Indonesian. Thanks for watching. I'm Windy and I will see you on indonesianpod101.com. Sampai jumpa! Hi everyone, I'm Windy Anggraini. Halo semua, nama saya Windy Anggraini. Welcome to another Indonesian whiteboard lesson. In this lesson, you'll learn the words for family members in Indonesian. Let's get started. Let's begin by covering the basics, the immediate family. Here is a simple family tree. You are here, saya. Here are your parents, and here are your siblings. Let's start with you as a child. First is father. In Indonesian, ayah or bapak. Ayah, ayah. Or bapak, bapak. Next is mother. Ibu, ibu, ibu. Now, let's look at your siblings. Kakak laki-laki. Older brother. Kakak laki-laki. Kakak laki-laki. Adik laki-laki. Younger brother. Adik laki-laki. Adik laki-laki. Next, sisters. Kakak perempuan. Older sister. Kakak perempuan. Kakak perempuan. Adik perempuan. Younger sister. Adik perempuan. Adik perempuan. Now, let's move on to the family member terms as a parent. Imagine you're the father, and here is your wife. In Indonesian, we say istri, wife. Istri, istri. Next, let's see what your spouse is called if you were the wife. The word for husband is suami. 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 Now, in both cases, we use anak laki-laki for a son and anak perempuan for daughter. Anak laki-laki. Anak laki-laki. Son. Anak perempuan. Anak perempuan. Daughter. Now, let's hear a sample conversation. Imagine two co-workers are chatting and one of them is showing a picture to the other. Listen to the dialogue and try to figure out who the person is in the picture. Ready? Siapa ini? Who is this? Ini suami saya. This is my husband. Let's break this down starting from suami. Husband. Suami. Suami. Saya. My. Saya. Saya. Ini. This. Ini. Ini. Now, let's imagine you're showing different pictures to a friend of yours. First, you have a picture with your mother. You say, "Ini ibu saya." This is my mother. Ini kakak perempuan saya. This is my older sister. Ini adik perempuan saya. This is my younger sister. Ini ayah or bapak saya. This is my father. Ini anak laki-laki saya. This is my son. I'm sure you could see a pattern, right? Ini keluarga saya. This is my family member. Ini keluarga saya. Remember to say adik for younger siblings and kakak for older siblings. Do you remember how to say mother? Ibu. Ibu. And how to say father? Ayah or bapak. Ayah or bapak. Do you remember how to say younger brother? Adik laki-laki. Adik laki-laki. Do you remember how to say older brother? Kakak laki-laki. Kakak laki-laki. And how to say younger sister? Adik perempuan. Adik perempuan. And how to say older sister? Kakak perempuan. Kakak perempuan. Do you remember how to say son? Anak laki-laki. Anak laki-laki. And how to say daughter? Anak perempuan. Anak perempuan. Do you remember how to say wife? Istri. Istri. And how to say husband? Suami. Suami. Do you remember how to say my husband? Suami saya. Suami saya. And how to say this as in this is my husband? Ini. Ini. Do you remember how to say this is my husband? Ini suami saya. Ini suami saya. Well done! In this lesson, we've learned how to say family members in Indonesian. I'm Windy Anggraini, and I'll see you again on IndonesianPod101.com. Thanks for watching. Sampai bertemu lagi!
Want to easily remember new vocab and phrases? Fact: everyone, beginners and advanced learners alike, forgets new words the first time they learn them. So what's the secret to remembering? What do smart learners do? They note them down and review them later. And you can do this with our study tool called the Word Bank, your extended brain for language learning. And in this video, you'll discover 1. How to save keywords and phrases, 2. How to review the words so that you never forget them, and 3. How to create your own printable vocabulary worksheets. But first, if you don't yet have access to this tool and our lessons, just click the link down in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now. First, what is the Word Bank? The Word Bank is a premium study tool, and it's your personal language database where you can save new words and phrases with a single click, review them all in one spot, and never forget them. Think of it as your extended brain for language learning. Look for the Word Bank in the vocabulary drop-down menu on the site, or inside the menu in our app. So, how do you take full advantage of this powerful study tool? 2. How to save keywords and phrases. If you're taking a lesson and want to save key vocab, simply go to the vocabulary section. Select the words you'd like to save and click on Add to Word Bank. If you're using the core word list, like the 2,000 most common words, or the vocabulary lists, select the words, go to Add Selected Words, and click on Word Bank. Now, the words and phrases are saved in your Word Bank, and you can even organize the entries with labels like adjectives, verbs, or phrases. 3. How to review the words. Once you save the words to your Word Bank, you can easily see all of them, all in one spot. With every word or phrase, you get the audio pronunciation, the translation, and even the related lessons where they're introduced. That way, you can review the words one by one. If you'd like to study words with flashcards, just click on Sync to Flashcard Deck. This will create a flashcard deck of your Word Bank entries for you to study. 4. How to create your own printable vocabulary worksheets. If you want to have physical worksheets and practice writing the words on paper, then click on Printer-Friendly Version and print out your Word Bank entries. You can even export your Word Bank as PDF, CSV, or XML files. Remember, you can use this powerful feature with flashcards, lessons, and vocab lists, so take advantage right now. Save new words and phrases to your Word Bank with a single click. Review them all in one spot and never forget them with the Word Bank feature. But if you don't yet have access, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets.